Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to ensure order confirmation emails are sent in WooCommerce. Now a disclaimer before we start, if you want to have a WooCommerce store in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for a subscription that's a paid subscription that costs like $40 or $50 and that will give you a lot of features and access to a lot of options and even starting a new WooCommerce store like this one. Now, I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to complete this task successfully. Now, let's get started by following these few steps together. The first step is to check email settings. To do that, you have to access your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and then entering your account credentials. Once you enter your account credentials, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to WooCommerce here, and if you paid for the subscription, you'll be able to start a new store just by going to clicking on start a new store and then filling the information and following the prompts. Once you do that, go to WooCommerce again and then go to settings and emails and ensure new order and customer order notification are enabled. Now for the second step is to customize the email template. To do that, click on manage next to the email type and customize the subject and content as needed. These options will appear after you pay for the subscription and you start the WooCommerce store. Now for the third step is to test email functionality. Use a plugin like WP Mail SMTP to send a test email and confirm functionality. And that's it. That's how you send order confirmation emails in WooCommerce. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.